Alam mo ba you don't need to spend thousands just to use Adobe, Microsoft, or AutoCAD? Yup. I'll show you free alternatives that work just as good as the expensive ones. Never pay for overpriced software again. Hi guys! Welcome back to the channel. If gusto mong matuto ng budget-friendly tools, you're in the right place. Today, we'll learn 6 powerful free alternatives to the most popular but expensive software. Number 1, Adobe Photoshop. GIMP Photoshop is amazing, pero mahal. $29.89 per month, around $1,200. Try GIMP, an open-source photo editor. Same layers, brushes, filters, and background removal tools. You can retouch photos, edit portraits, and do everything Photoshop can do, for free. Check it out at gimp.org. Quick tip: install free plugins from the GIMP community. Number 2, Microsoft Office 365. LibreOffice Office 365 costs $69.99 a year. Pero LibreOffice, libre talaga. It has Word, Excel, and PowerPoint equivalents. Can open and save .docx, .xlsx, and pptx files. No compatibility issues. Use it offline, perfect sa mga walang stable internet. Quick tip: add extensions and fonts for a pro look. Number 3, AutoCAD, FreeCAD, LibreCAD. AutoCAD costs $1,955 per year. Wow! Use FreeCAD for 3D designs or LibreCAD for 2D drafting. Open source and totally free. Perfect for engineering or architecture students. Fast, lightweight, and community supported. Quick tip: watch FreeCAD tutorials on YouTube for beginner-friendly guides. Number 4, Adobe Illustrator. Inkscape Illustrator costs $20.99 a month, pero Inkscape is free. Design logos, icons, or vector graphics easily. Supports SVG formats. Same professional results, no subscription needed. Quick tip: use path effects for pro vector tricks. Number 5, Canva Pro. Vista Create, Photopea. Canva Pro is great, but $12.99 month adds up. Use Vista Create for templates and animations, or Photopea for Photoshop-style editing right in your browser. You can open PSD files, make IG stories or thumbnails fast. Quick tip: save projects as PSD to edit later. Let's recap. GIMP, LibreOffice, FreeCAD, LibreCAD, Inkscape, Vista Create, Photopea, all free, all powerful. No more paying monthly fees. Links are in the description below. Like, subscribe, and share to help more Filipinos save money. Work smarter, not harder. Salamat for watching. See you sa next tip video.